Have you ever had a brilliant real estate idea but didn't know where to start? Or maybe you're a professional looking to connect with new projects and clients. Welcome to BuildWiseAI, a clean and effective real estate ecosystem designed to empower everyone, from complete beginners to seasoned pros. Your journey begins at our landing page. Here you'll see a vibrant network of professionals, a dynamic community of service providers like architects, engineers, and contractors, as well as a community of service recipients like landowners, developers, and investors. This isn't just a platform, it's a living, breathing network where great ideas find the right people. Ready to join? It's simple. Just hit the join button and use your Google account for a quick, hassle-free sign-up or login. Once you're in, this is where the magic of AI begins. Our AI-powered onboarding chatbot will ask you a few simple questions to get to know you better. Based on your profession, experience, and interests, it will help you create a private and secure profile. Dashboard. You control exactly what you display to others, ensuring your privacy while you connect and build your professional reputation. After your profile is set up, you'll enter the main landing page, which feels just like your favorite social media platforms. Here, you can explore projects and connect with others, like dislike, vote, comment, and share project updates at any stage. You can also add other interested professionals to your network or add projects to your personal wish list. It's all about creating a transparent and connected community for the real estate sector. Every project on BuildWiseAI follows a clear, 5-step journey, giving you a transparent view of its progress. Step 1, project idea and concept, the initial vision. Step 2, land scouting, finding the perfect location and checking feasibility. Step 3, entitlement, securing all legal rights and permits. Step 4, land development, building the infrastructure and utilities. Step 5, construction, the final stage of bringing the project to life. As a user, you can browse any project, see its current phase, learn about its investment policies, and see all the information provided by the project owner. If you have a question or an idea, you can post, comment, or send a message directly to the owner. It's a complete toolkit for turning ideas into reality. The BuildWiseAI platform is committed to our community's growth. When you're ready to join a project as a service provider or recipient, your first project in the deal room is completely free. This gives you a risk-free opportunity to experience the platform's power. By successfully completing your first project, you earn the Successful Housing Member Badge. You can pin this badge to your profile and share it on your other professional networks like LinkedIn, building your reputation as an established real estate professional. When you start your second project, a small subscription fee is required. This fee helps us cover operating costs and fuels our research and development, ensuring the platform continues to grow and improve for our community, because our main basis of activity is community-driven. So where does AI fit in? AI is integrated throughout the platform to streamline your experience and provide valuable insights. AI for onboarding. As you saw, AI personalizes your initial experience by asking questions to understand your needs and interests. This ensures you get a tailored experience from day one. AI for project matching. The platform can use AI to suggest relevant projects based on your profile, experience, and stated interests. For a service provider, this means finding the right projects to bid on. For an investor, it means finding projects that align with your financial goals. AI for project guidance. AI can help with project due diligence by analyzing land and zoning feasibility, helping users to better plan their projects. AI for deal room management. Inside the deal room, AI can organize legal documents, contracts, and real-time updates, making it easier to track progress and maintain transparency. It helps to handle large amounts of data and can even analyze legal documents for key clauses and pending approvals, making the process faster and more efficient. Inside the deal room, you'll find a dedicated dashboard showing your project involvement, progress reports, earnings, and activities. This is where all the work gets done transparently. You can work on multiple projects at once and track all your records in one place. BuildWiseAI is more than a platform. It's the future of real estate, connecting people and projects, powered by community and intelligent technology. Join us today and build wisely.